I've made lotion bars from my Simply Earth Essential Oil subscription box. Come see how I do it. It's that time of month again. My Simply Earth recipe box has come in. Let's see what's in it this time. Every month I get this subscription box from Simply Earth, and they send me a box of things to make essential oil recipes. This month I have lemongrass and amarice. I also came with 2 of their specialty blends, Unicorn and Energy. I have a mold. I have some glycerin melt and pour soap base. I have 6 recipe cards. I have my leaflet that has QR codes so you can go and check out more. And it also links to the Essential Oil Hero course, which has more lessons on the website, and it's great. I love it. I have stickers for all of the things that you can make in this month's box, and 2 foaming hand soap tablets. These are for making a bottle of foaming hand soap. I don't have a bottle for the foaming hand soap, so that'll have to wait that'll have to wait for another time. This month's focus is soap. That would be why they gave you the mold and the melt and pour soap base. I have a recipe for Healing Hands Solid Lotion Bar. A Lovely Night Roll-On. When you order your first recipe box, and then every 6th box after that, you get a big bonus box. Inside the big bonus box, you're going to get 6 roll-on bottles with the roller ball on the top. These are for different recipes for rolling on as perfume or as muscle soothers or lip balm or insect repellent. They've got all kinds of recipes. They give you 6 recipes every month. Every month there will be 1 recipe for a roll-on. They also give you 6 bottles for diffuser blends. Every month they'll give you a diffuser blend recipe as well. They'll also provide you with a solid coconut oil, beeswax pellets. These are great for making chapsticks or salves and balms and such. A fractionated or liquid coconut oil and an almond oil. These are used to make your roller blends and to provide different dilution carrier oils for different products. Every now and again they'll send you something like these molds and the soap so that you can make the project that's in the month. So Healing Hands Lotion Bar, Lovely Night Roll-On. So that's fragrance and essential oil aromatherapy approach. Heart Balloons Diffuser Blend, again for aromatherapy. Unicorn Foaming Soap. Helping Hands Foaming Soap. And Sweet Lemon Oatmeal Soap. That'll be a solid bar. For the recipe I want to make, Healing Hands Solid Lotion Bar, I've read through my recipe, and I know that I need a tablespoon of cornstarch. I only have one tablespoon measure, so I'm going to measure my cornstarch before I get the spoon all dirty with everything else. I'm going to set that aside while I'm making a mess, of course. But now that's measured out. I've got out 2 packages of beeswax here because this one is nearly empty and I wasn't sure if I was going to have enough. And I don't. I need 1.5 tablespoons and I have 1 there. And that's about half of another tablespoon. So that's 1.5 tablespoons of beeswax. And I need 3 tablespoons of almond oil. You want to put these in a microwave safe dish or in a double boiler. If you don't have a double boiler or a microwave, you could put it in a stainless steel or glass bowl that you're going to put in a pot of water that you will heat through the, you'll heat the water in the pot and it will transfer heat through the sides of the stainless steel mixing bowl. So there's 3 tablespoons of almond oil. I'm going to microwave that in short bursts and stir it while I watch for the beeswax pellets to melt. Okay, I got all the beeswax melted and mixed with the almond oil quite nicely, and now I'm going to add the cornstarch mixture, or the cornstarch. If this solidifies while you're working with it, I'm making a mess again. If this solidifies while you're working with it, you can put it back in the microwave and remelt it. I'm just using a chopstick here so that I can mix this. There we go, the cornstarch is mixed in. And now I add my essential oils. 25 drops of unicorn. Now that has, so the unicorn essential oil blend has grapefruit, orange, lemon, and jasmine essential oils. It smells fantastic, very fruity. And I need 8 drops of the energy essential oil blend and 8 drops of the lemongrass essential oil. Oh, that smells delicious. Oh, I got a little extra. Sometimes that happens. Okay, let's give that a stir just to make sure all those oils are mixed into the mix evenly, into the oils evenly, and then pour it into the mold. Okay, one might be a little smaller than the others. No big deal. It smells fantastic. Now I'm going to let this cool and I'll show you the results. Okay, these have just been sitting on the kitchen counter for 20 minutes or so. Let's pop that out of there. I'll take the one that didn't quite fill. It's solid. It kept its shape and it's pretty solid. That's what I wanted. I just needed the beeswax to solidify again. Now this is meant to just be used to rub on your skin. At this time of year, when you have dry skin, isn't that the best? And the heat of my hand is warming it up so that it's melting right onto my skin. It's nice and creamy, nice and thick, creamy. It's not runny or goopy. Now, of course, it's getting all over my ring, but I was careful not to scratch it across the top of my rings. But there we go. If you're interested in the Simply Earth subscription box, go to simplyearth.com and at checkout, use my code KarenMM50.